Feature your eyes on this classic piece of moto history right here. One of the most stunning bikes from the 70s. One of the last twin shock air-cooled monsters. It was the pinnacle of the twin shock air-cooled era. The technology had gone about as good as it could go. And this was definitely one of the coolest looking bikes from the 70s with the neon green plastics and the gloss black frame with the gold rims. Just super cool classic piece. Ultra rare. This is probably the third one we've done out of the 10,000 plus bikes we've sold. We just sold another mint one, like just so happened to be last month. A real nice one came, you know, we finished and sold. So this one has been gone through top to bottom. Let me fire it up and give you a little demo on it first, because it runs as good as it looks and it just feels right, man. This thing's definitely ready for some vintage moto racing. So super rare because the production stats, they didn't make as many as Honda did. But the other reason why is they were so fun to ride that most people rode them into the ground. These were designed to be racing machines. Most guys took them instantly right to the track and hammered them into submission. But if you look, it has all the hallmarks of a low hour original. Still has the DID sticker on the front rim. And that's the original gold rim anodizing on the front and rear rim and the swing arm. It's not perfect. The wheels have, you know, a little bit of patina and issues that you expect on a 42-year-old motorcycle, but just remarkable how good it is for being original. So starting with a mint frame, show them the frame rails on this thing. Just pristine, not a single ding, not a single dent or ding anywhere in this frame. The frame down tubes are hollow. That's why it's so important. So aren't the tubes on the side. So it's easy for them when they get dented and they start rusting to have issues, but not this one. This one's pretty freaking spectacular. So starting with a mint original frame, it was taken right down to the frame. The frame was painted, sandblasted and painted, automotive quality finish. The front end was completely obvious, was taken off the motorcycle. The rim got a new tire, tube, and rim strip. The front brakes were redone. New fork boots, brand new Nightmare Racing front fender, brand new front number plate. The original fuel tank was completely restored, which is, if you've ever done one, it's quite a bit of labor to restore a tank to brand new condition like this. It's minimum 5 hours if you know what you're doing. The seat has been restored with a new foam and seat cover, new side number plates, new tank graphics, new side number graphics, new rear fender. The real magic, though, as nice as this bike looks, is in the engine. The engine was original Kawasaki Kx250. Engine was completely dismantled and restored. The engine cases were repainted, the side covers, all the gaskets, base gasket, head gasket, everything were redone. The cylinder was sent out and had a new sleeve installed with a matching brand new piston and rings, top end bearing, wrist pin, and circlip. The carburetor is completely rebuilt. You can see in brand new condition with a new intake boot and the brand new twin air filter and the original air box. Countershaft sprocket cover is an aftermarket replacement of the original. Very nice looking piece. New gold chain and sprocket was installed. New Michelin tires, front and rear, mostly ridden on the tar. This bike's never really been in the dirt. It's been ridden on the tar, maybe an hour ride time total. Once they're done like this, it's kind of a shame to take them off-road and destroy them because you can mess them up pretty quick. But if that's what you want to do with it, it's ready to go to the races. So the engine's going to be completely resorted. The shocks were replaced. The bike's been gone through top to bottom. Anything it needed was done, and it looks like a brand new bike. It runs like a brand new bike. This is the original factory exhaust on here, which is in excellent condition. The original pipe, there's got a couple tiny dings in the bottom here, but overall, The pipe's in excellent shape. That was repainted, as was the clutch cover, foot pegs, the brake stay arm. The original swing arm anodizing, you can see it has some scratches in it. It's got a little ding in it right here too, so it's not perfect, but these are you know, and the shocks are just a replacement set off of eBay. They're not nothing. They're not like a $600 set of works performance shocks, but they work good, and they look good. So if you have any questions about the bike, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We can ship anywhere in the country for you. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about all the running gear is new on it too. The new aluminum handlebars with a Kawasaki crossbar pad to go with the new front number plate, new grips, new throttle cable, new levers, new modern quick adjust clutch perch, and a new engine stop switch. So everything from here up has been replaced. Looks beautiful, looks brand new, and it runs like brand new, and it sounds like brand new. So good luck finding a nicer 79. And there's not another one for sale on eBay or online anywhere. Today we Googled it. I didn't see the last new one that sold. What was the Mint 79 from the Chip Watkins collection. No corners were cut. Michelin tires. The cylinder was given a new cylinder sleeve, a new lease on life. So the engine's ready to go, man. If you have any questions, give us a call. We can ship it right to your door. We can finance it, and we take trades. So if you've been looking for a classic 79, this one's done, ready to go. So as I don't think there's too much more to show you. Let me spin it around the other side here, give you one more look at it in the sunlight. Then it's going down to the museum on the second floor where we'll get a full photo shoot. High-res photos will be on eBay. We'll have a write-up with everything that was done to it on the eBay ad. And it's going in the museum where it'll be on display until it finds a new home. Again, if you have any questions, call us. Thanks for watching. God bless America.